Alright, we're at the Menger Hotel in San Antonio, Texas. And look at all those Christmas decorations here. Is your Christmas tree? Look at that hallway down at that end right there. Look how many Christmas trees there are. But guess what the real treat is? The vintage Otis elevator. Let's first start off with the black button. This is going to be a 2017 take of these piece of beauties. And also, I'm actually staying in this hotel. So, I guess this keycard looks familiar. Let's ride this beauty, shall we? We're going to take it up to 5. And here we go. Love that bell. You can clearly hear the generator. Alright, let's see if we can set the generator down and then we'll start it up when we go down. Let the generator cool down for a bit. There's your cab view. Alright, it's cooling down now. There is your... oh, there's your inspection certificate. These are your fixtures. They're Otis black button fixtures. That door close button does not have that cap, but the door open button does. See, I have that exact same button right there, but the only thing is it doesn't have the caps. Alright, the generator is slowing down. Alright. Slowing down even more. Slowing down. Alright, let's start the elevator. Here we go. Let's watch a classic level. Whoa. That was awesome. Let's take another ride on this. Door closed and push the button. I love that. This thing is truly a gem. I love this elevator a lot. This right here is your ADA phone, which is added on. This time watch the classic leveling. And let's go outside and sample the chime. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to send this elevator down 1 floor. And first let's get a view of the hotel hallway right here. So there's your hallway right there. Alright, let's call the elevator. And after that we're going to go ride the Otis Lexan. This is not door operator. You can clearly hear the generator here. Here's your interlock. Alright, let's go down to 1. And after that we'll ride the Otis Lexan elevators. The Otis Lexan elevators are a lot more fun to ride than these, but still awesome. We'll watch the arrow go out. Alright, here we are at 1. Alright, let's watch it close. To your right, that's your Series 1 fire service. There it goes. Now we're going to ride the Lexan. The Otis Lexan elevator. This right here is down to the main lobby. Focus camera. Here's your main lobby right here. Look at this Christmas decoration. I love it. This is beautiful. Alright, there's people there. I'm not going to capture them on camera. That right there is the Menger bar. Here's your Menger bar right there. Wow, a wedding cake. This is nice. Seems like somebody has gotten married here. Alright, let's go into the main lobby. Here's the main lobby right here. Here's your front desk to the right. I'm not going to get anybody on camera. This right here is the main lobby, and I got to talk over the music because of copyright reasons. And now comes the Otis Lexan elevator. Can you press 4 for me, please? Oh, it's already lit. Wonderful. I'm taking a round trip. You guys go ahead and have a good night.
Thank you. You too.
And you're welcome. Alright, let's go on to 1. This is what I call a fun elevator. Listen to the relays on these. Woo! Wow! That thing stops so hard. Alright, let's go up to 4. Alright, let's go on to 1. Similar to the other elevator. We're going to listen to the relays going up. This thing is just awesome. I love these elevators here in this hotel. This is the second elevator. He's got the Lexan fixtures, and it's got a 2-speed door. Alright, let's close up the door. Here we go. Down to 1. And now the door opens into the beautiful lobby. There's your front desk, there's your better view. There goes that Otis Lexan elevator right here. This right here is your mailbox right there. It looks like this one is a bit newer. I'm not sure if this is street letterbox because it doesn't look like it's old. Anyways, now we're going to ride the last Otis Lexan here in this hotel, which is the Victorian lobby elevator. So look how beautiful this lobby is. And oh my gosh, there is a Christmas light outside. And I am sorry that I have to talk over the music for copyright reasons. Let's go outside. Let's go and view the Christmas lights. See, this right here is the courtyard. Look how colorful that is. See, this is the courtyard right here. See, look how colorful this is. This is amazing. Oh wow, I can see the stars shining. Look at that. Look at that. This is amazing. Let it snow. Now this is a perfect way to start the Christmas season. Alright, we're gonna go ride the Victorian lobby elevator now. Here's another view of the Christmas tree. There's your piano right here. Alright, let's go inside. Here we go into the Victorian lobby. This building was built in 1859. There's your Christmas stuff right here. And inside the Victorian lobby, you got a big, tall Christmas tree. Look at that. This is amazing. You got a soldier right here. Air soldier right here. Another Christmas decoration right there. Alright, we're gonna go ride the Victorian lobby elevator. Oh, can't go this way. Excuse me.
I think
See that clock? Isn't that a cool clock?
Where? Oh, awesome, yes. Love that clock. That goes into the courtyard right there. Alright, you guys are going up?
Yes, sir.
Oop. I dropped this. What floor are y'all going to? 2?
Thank you.
Alright, you can come in.
She's wait for these two.
Oh, okay. What floor are y'all going?
2. You come here to see the ghosts?
Not yet.
They're on the 3rd floor.
We'll have to go check it out after that video. After I'm done filming.
I'm sorry.
I'm just filming the elevators. These are my favorite elevators in this hotel. Yes.
Have a good night. Happy
You too.
Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving to you too.
Hope you buy something good.
Yep. Looks like they added a sensor beep on this. Hear the door hum. The elevator does go down to 1 automatically. Anyways, this is just similar to the other Otis Lexan I filmed. These are your fixtures, Otis Lexan. Button goes out. Whoa! That was a stop. Alright, we're gonna watch it close. There it goes. And here is the chime sampling. Well, the door was noisy, but still got that chime. Anyways, there it goes. Let's get another view of that big Christmas tree in the Victorian lobby. There's your soldier. And another soldier right there. There's a piano. And here's your last view of the Christmas tree. And with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and Happy Christmas, everybody. With that said, that will be it.